What's up, YouTube? I'm Makai Block. You're watching Limitless North TV. We all look for ways to be successful in life, and we're looking for someone else to give us the answers. That's why you're on this channel. That's why you're on YouTube or Google searching for how to be successful, how to make more money, how to increase my income, how to get rich, right? We all look for those because there's this need in us to find answers outside of ourselves because we don't have the knowledge that we need. And that while that's very true, I want you to realize that the ultimate source of success is going to come from what you yourself create by thinking. You have to learn, you have to grow, you have to take in new information, you have to learn things. But ultimately, no one is going to have the specific answer for you. Yes, there may be mentors out there that you can learn from, that you can go to with very specific questions about what you're trying to do, and they can give you advice. But ultimately, the only thing that's going to make you successful is you correctly implementing the knowledge that you take in. And so you're out there looking for a specific answer of how do I do this with my situation. But the reality is your situation is unique, and nobody else out there is going through the exact same thing that you're going through. Now, there's ways to shortcut it, right? We can identify the business that we're in and find people that are in our business doing the exact or similar type of thing that what we're doing, and we can learn from them. We can learn the things that they did to become successful. But ultimately, their situation will be unique, and our situation will be unique, and so no one will have the exact answer for what we need to do. And so we have to learn, we have to get in that habit, and I want to challenge you to get into that habit of taking the information you hear and learn and do a wide search and learn everything surrounding the concept, the idea that you're trying to understand, and accept that nobody's going to have the exact specific goal and roadmap for you. But they're going to have roadmaps, they're going to have goals, they're going to have strategies and tips and tricks and habits that you can develop, right? But you need to take all of that information and then truly think for yourself and learn how to apply it to your specific situation, your exact environment that you're encountering every day. You need to tailor it to yourself. And now I know this sounds like common sense. I know that you're hearing this and you're like, well, that makes total sense. Duh, why are you even telling us this? But the reality is, how many people go to Google day after day after day after day and search for how do I become successful? How do I become rich? And they're hoping the answer is going to appear there for them. It's just going to pop up someday. And it's going to be like, there it is. That's exactly what I need. The answer has to come from inside yourself. That's why Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich, is so powerful and so impactful, because it teaches you that most people don't think. Nobody has learned how to think, and we don't go through life thinking consistently. We just react and respond. We're not proactive, and we don't plan. We don't truly think about the situations we face and overcome them. And that's what becoming an entrepreneur is all about, is learning to think. And that's what personal development is all about, is identifying ways that we can address the obstacles that we face and actually pause and think on them and look at them from every angle, and then take advice from outside ourselves to see where it fits on the exact obstacle that we're facing. But ultimately, we have to identify, how do I take this advice and apply it and solve that problem and get past this obstacle, find that solution, get to the other side, get the success that I'm looking for. Your business is going to be unique. Your route is going to be unique. Your journey is going to be unique. And so you have to be responsible for the success that you experience. So I just challenge you to, yes, take in all this information. Yes, go to Google. Yes, go to books. Go to YouTube. Search, how do I become successful? How do I get rich? Get ideas. Get information. Learn from people that have been there. Success leaves clues, so pick up those clues. But understand that they are never going to hand it to you on a silver platter. You must learn your own process, your own path, your own journey. You must be the one that creates your own success based on what you learn, based on what you know, based on what you encounter and experience. So it's up to you to take the advice that you get, to find the answers in books and videos and talks and motivation and personal development, but then tailor that to your own specific journey, your own specific environment, your own specific obstacles, and truly learn to think. If you would just do that one thing, truly learn to think, to pause, to be aware of what you're thinking, to be aware of what you're encountering, to think around what you're encountering, and to use the knowledge that you've gained through the things that you watch and read and encounter, that would change your life. That would be the goal. That would be all that you need to find success in your life. So truly learn to think, truly learn to apply that information, and don't just go out there looking for some cookie cutter answer that nobody is going to have for you. So I just want to encourage you, the answers lie within you, within what you've encountered, within what you've experienced, within what you've learned and read and heard. You just have to take that advice and actually apply it and do it and use it. And you can find success, because success is simple. It is processes and systems and consistency and all these things, but you just have to learn how to apply them to your unique situation, and that will change everything for you. I hope that helps you guys. God bless you. I'm Kai Block with Limitless North. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it and got anything from it, and of course subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I'll see you on the next one.